Well, I thought we could use the new Super Blackhawk to do a bit of safe cracking. See if we can blow our way into this safe here. Let's have a look at it. Just get into the thing. Here we go. It's quite alright, it's only a little cheap safe, but it's got quite sturdy bolts here, and the front plate's about 5mm thick, and a couple of decent hinges there. I figured that we could have a go at getting in this with 44 Magnum. What do you think? And I got some buffalo bow. Now these are something else, strictly business. These are heavy 44 Magnum plus P plus. Now, so that's 340 grains. 340 grains of hard cast lead, and it's travelling at something like 1,425 foot per second, and ME 1533 foot pounds. There you go. Let's have a look at these things. If I can get in there. Whoa. There you go. Look at those things. They're crazy. There you go. Massive lead, heavy cast lead projectile there. Yep, that sucker's going to be travelling at 1,425 foot per second. 340 grains. What do you think? Do you think we'll crack the old safe or not? Do you think we get in? Place your bets, because we're going to have a go at it. Right, it's a fair bit of weight in this thing. Right, I figured put it up against the bank there, something like that, because I'm at a bit of an angle over there shooting. Let's put some wood under it. See what happens there. So she's locked up tight. Let's load up some of these crazy buffalo bow. See what they do. They must they pretty much fill the whole cylinder there. Look at that. Yeah. No room to spare there. 1, 2, 3. They're expensive, them suckers. They're damned expensive. So I'm only going to use what I have to. If I need to use more than 6, well, I need a sponsor. I'm going to tuck myself on the edge of this tree. I don't know if anything's going to come flying back or not, but I'll just make myself a smaller target as possible. Okay, here goes. Awesome. Let's go see what that did. Okay, well, there's bits of plastic all around here. There's a keypad, And that sucker went straight in the middle. Ooh! It's straight in there, let's not. But will it open? Damn! It'll open too, I think. Yeah, one shot. Look at what it did there. God, my hand's shaking. Yeah, look at that. There's the guts of the safe. One shot wonder. It didn't bend the plate at all. Yeah, look at that. Well, now you know, if you have one of these safes, if you got one of these things, now you know how to get into it. Buffalo bowl. Big boys. Yep, one shot. Well, I'm not going to waste any more of that ammo. I'm going to think of other crazy things I can do with it. That was too much fun, so I've got to do it again. Alright, here we go. Ooh, over the top. I was anticipating that, that big jump. There we go. That'll do it. That does not hit your knuckle. Over the top. I was anticipating that that big jump. There we go. Let's have a look at this sucker. Oh, maybe I did get it 3 times. I thought I missed with one. Now I don't want to shut. Now I don't want to open rather. I can see what's happened. The plate's bent over at the back. But I think I got 3 hits there. No, that might be something else. That's a lock. That's the emergency lock that was there. That's just destroyed. There's my other hit. I'll have to look at the slow motion, see if I got all 3 on there. But there's one that came out the back. That just burst out the back there. Buried itself in here. Get into this sucker. Oh, that thing there's been bent up pretty good. Here we go. There we go. There's those pins that keep the door shut on that mechanism, and some electrical coil there, solenoid. Man, it's hot today. Woo! Right, Peanut, this way, come. Work our way out of here. Well, in the wilds of Oklahoma, there's nobody gets here. Nobody gets out here. If you look behind me, there's a beautiful creek there. It's full of all kinds of stuff. It's full of Peanut right now. Peanut! Watch out for snake. Go on, you can go. Watch out for snake. the metal there, I guess about 5mm. There's a gas can for another to do something else with. Who the fuck?